Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a little comparison video with my new 26 toiletry and my new By the Pool collection Kirigami, the large pouch. So I wanted to kind of show you guys size comparison because I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are wondering you know, the size wise on it. So I kind of wanted to show you guys comparison on it. Let's see if you guys can kind of see it and what fits. So obviously I'm not going to do a what fits in my bag comparison because I'm pretty sure you guys can see the difference. This one's thinner and this one of course is a little bit thicker, so it fits a lot more. Wearing it, you could both put inserts on both of these bags. I don't have an insert on it right now, but you can put an insert on both of these and you could make them into crossbodies. It's like a cheaper way, you know, to have a crossbody bag if you can't get, you know, another type of bag, or just to style it. I mean, a lot of people love to style these, or, you know, put them inside another bag. So if you have like a never full, you can put this just in there with a couple stuff, your iPad, a couple other items. Same goes for here. This one's usually like a makeup bag because the inside is wipeable. So a lot of people just put their makeup in it. If it's a lot, you can put an insert in it to make it more organized, and you can do a lot of things with them. So for these two, the possibilities are endless of what you can do with them, and I think they're worth the money. That's why I bought them, and also because they're really cute. This one's more out there, and you know, the color is beautiful. It's both of these items are hard to get. The Kirigami sets are always sold out, and I think it's really hard to get them. But so if you're looking for something more out there, this is definitely it. And then this one, you can probably buy it in the resale market or online or in the LV store if you're able to get your hands on it. I was on the waiting list for this for a while, so if you know, it happens. But this is just, you know, a cute little bag, and you can use it in so many ways. I'll insert pictures from other people how they've styled it, and I think it looks super cute. So it's definitely why I decided to add it to my collection. I think this is one of those bags you can use in multiple occasions. You could use it as a night bag. Some people carry it like this. You can use it to carry your makeup, to go out, go to the beach, go anywhere. You can just carry it. So I think it's really cute, and I thought you guys would like this. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you guys want to see any more videos of comparison or other items like that, I'll be glad to make it for you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.